Hey everyone, how's it going? We got a 2024 Tesla Model Y in the shop. We're gonna be putting PPF on the front bumper, the hood, and the mirrors, and then we're gonna be ceramic coating the rest of it. We're gonna be using Autobahn Incognito PPF with a lifetime warranty. Let me show you some of our process. Okay, one of the cool things that we have is a 3D printed emblem checker for Teslas, so we know we can realign it with no issue in the future. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this emblem. We will be replacing it, but we're going to remove it for a cleaner install, and then we're going to do that for the hood first and then the bumper.